everyone, I'm Shana and you're watching Recipes Are Simple. Today we're making a simple snack, peanut masala. Try this out for when you want a different kind of snack when you're stuck at home. So for this you can either use peanuts or groundnuts. As I'm using here, I'm using unroasted raw groundnuts. So I'm going to roast them in a cast iron wok like this with a little bit of salt. This will take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame until they're nice and crunchy and salty. Of course, you can use store-bought roasted salted peanuts instead. So once the groundnuts cooled off, I just took off the skins and now we can make our peanut masala. For this you need 1 red onion that has been chopped, 2 tomatoes also chopped, but make sure you don't use the seed portion and we only want the flesh like this or the peanuts get soggy. To this you're also going to add 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. To this we're going to add a little bit of spice, so 1 to 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder, and if you have chaat masala and you like it, you can add that as well, around half a teaspoon. Chaat masala is a mixture of dry mango powder and cumin powder, as well as black salt and dried mint, so that's up to you. And to this we're going to add just a tiny little bit of lime juice and salt, and then we're going to stir in our roasted peanuts or groundnuts just before serving. It's a nice crunchy savory snack. Try this out if you're bored at home. Don't forget to subscribe to Recipes Are Simple. I have so many more recipes coming, recipes from everywhere, recipes for everyone. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye!